Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and today we're going to have a chip and dip. Nacho and dip, to be precise. El Sabor Nacho and dip. Got this from Home Bargains, $1.29. And it is chili nacho chips and salsa sauce. And if you look on the little pack there it is. It also says beer time, and then snack suitable for beer. Well, I won't be having a beer at the moment. It's what, 11:30 in the morning. I finished work half an hour ago, and I need my lunch. I've had a banana. Always have a banana as soon as I get in from work. And I thought, let's do a quick video on these. See what these are like. Now, I must admit, I'm not the biggest fan of dips with crisps or chips, tortilla chips, that is. But it's a different idea, isn't it? Having it all in one pack. So, let's have a go. Now, oh, it's got little instructions in here, look. Instructions. Remove the top side using scissors, it says. Okay, I'll do as I'm told. For once. Okay, use the top, remove the top with scissors. Well, I managed to accomplish that task. Then what does it say? Use the package as a serving tray and enjoy. And to make the dip stable, adjust the formed edge at the bottom of the package. So, we get a little dip, and we get a bag of chips. Now, you may think this is a bit weird, but you know me. I've got my scales ready, because I want to know if these are actually good value. So I'm going to weigh the actual chips, see how much they weigh. Because the whole pack is 175 grams, but I reckon most of that weight is in the salsa. So let's see how much these tortilla chips weigh. 95 grams. Okay. Now, would you pay £1.29 for 95 grams of tortilla chips? Depends how good they are, I suppose, and how good the dip is. We shall find out. Oh, I see. Look, you make a little hole in that, and you put your dip in it. This is cool, isn't it? I like this. Most fun I've had all morning. Let's try and get this off without it spurting all over my lovely light coloured shirt. And managed it. There we go. Salsa dip. Smells like salsa. Right, is that gonna... That won't hold it. It's just gonna fall out. What a silly idea. What's this say? Adjust the formed edge at the bottom of the packet. Ah, I see. Adjust the formed edge at the bottom of the packet. There's a little thing there. This is far too advanced for me. No, that's not going to work either. How's that meant to... Oh, I don't know. I can't work it out. I'm far too hungry to work out silly things like that. Anyway. What are they called? El Sabor Nacho and dip. Let's have a go at the chips first. That's what they look like. And it says they're chili flavour. Chili nacho chips. Blah blah blah. Nacho chips, chili flavour on the ingredients. From France and Italy. Okay. It looks like this whole thing is made in... Oh no, produced and packed in Belgium. Okay. The main language looks like Greek to me. Who knows? Who knows? Who cares? Right, 5 minutes and I haven't even tried them yet. Okay, let's have a go. They're meant to be chili flavour, are they? Let me double check that. Chili nacho chips. I can't taste any chili at all. They're quite salt. Well, they're very highly salted, very crunchy. They're very nice. They're extremely salty, which is good. But where's the chili? Okay, these couple here look as though they've got a lot of coating on them. So let's try them. Now, there's a hint of chili there. That's very disappointing. I was expecting these to be quite strong in chili, but I like them. I like them a lot, but they're not what it says on the pack. Right. Let's try the dip. To be honest, there's more spice in the dip than there is in the chips. And there's not a lot in the dip. Let's have one more go. Overall, not that impressed. Very good idea. Original idea, poorly executed. There's nothing wrong with it. I mean, the chips are nice. I like them. Salsa's okay. It's very sweet, very oniony. Yeah, it's just salsa. It's nothing special. Tell you what I'm thinking, because I'm not really keen on dipping these in that. I'd rather eat them on their own. So what do I do with the salsa? I hear you ask. Quite often, my main use for salsa is in a grated cheese sandwich. Grated cheese and salsa is really nice. Believe me, if you haven't tried it, give it a go. You won't, well, you might regret it. You might think I'm an idiot for suggesting it, but there we go. Oh well. Oh well. It's worth a go, wasn't it? £1.29 home bargains if you fancy having a go at that. But I can't say I recommend it really. The chips are good. They're salty, very crunchy, but no chili there. There's hardly any chili. Chili? Hardly any chili in that, but pleasant enough. Nah. Okay, hope you enjoyed that one. And I'm going to get some lunch now, which may involve them. May involve that. Who knows? Who knows what I'm going to dip in that? The mind boggles. Right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video tomorrow, usual time, 2 PM.